The worst packaging in the history of mankind. A box that says reduction of hazardous substances. Then it's got all these symbols on it. And you have no idea what's inside. But I know what's inside, and I am super excited. I got a new Toyota Tacoma a few months ago, and I've been slowly modifying it, changing the wheels, adding LEDs. And this is another LED light. Now, what off-roaders like to do is they like to put two lights up on the corners of their hood, right up by the windshield. They call them ditch lights. And I don't know, maybe to see in a ditch, who knows? I'm never gonna off-road with my truck, but that doesn't mean I can't look cool driving down the road. So I got these. There's two pieces that come in here. They're 4-inch, 18-watt, Bluetooth controlled, RGB LED light pods. Okay, this is the wiring kit. I'll have to wire that up, no big deal. Check this out. Ooh, I need a knife. I want the knife. Ooh, I like it's made out of aluminum. That's good. Aluminum is what you need to get heat away. And LEDs don't make anywhere near the heat that old incandescent or halogen bulbs used to make. But they do produce heat, and you do have to sink it away from the light to protect the light over time, and that's what this is. They use these fins too. I learned in thermodynamics in college how fins can reduce the heat too. We don't need to go into the math behind that, but they have the fins. They have this aluminum case. This will also chase with music. So if you have music playing and you just want these to play with the music, there is a Bleddy M2 app. Maybe it's Bledem. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it has an app that goes alongside of it. You can see some of the screenshots here on this one-page manual, and then also I'll do screen grabs on my phone. You can see, easy to download, easy to get going. It does have the wiring diagram here where you need to control it. It has this on-off switch. Whoa, where's the on-off switch? Does it have an on-off switch? It does not have an on-off switch. It wants you to wire one in. It shows it on the diagram, but you have to wire it. So it's torn because if these work on my truck, I'll leave them on my truck, but I may end up sticking these on my boat. But I'm gonna start with my truck first and see how they look on there. Basically have three connections at each point. It's got this like proprietary 4-pin coupler, and then it's got the plus and minus. Probably this is what controls the actual colors and flash rate, strobe rate, all of that. This is mounting hardware. I am not drilling a hole in my hood, so I bought an additional bracket that I can mount it to. All of these bolts look stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust, corrosion on none of this stuff. So that's really nice. They are IP68 rated. I mean, that's a very high level of waterproof and dust intrusion rating. So you're not going to have to worry about water or dust getting in these. And they'll work in a super wide range of temperatures. Temperatures that you can't even really live in. But you need it because summertime in Phoenix and wintertime in Alaska, this is going to be able to function. So they've got you covered. There are 3 sets of 6 pieces of LEDs inside here, and they run 6500 clear daylight if you want, or that matches a lot of LED colors, or you can run an RGB. 60,000 hours is what they claim the life is on this. Okay, these lights are really cool. Yeah, you saw there's the plain white, but check out what else it can do. Check 1, 2. Hello? Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Check, check. Check. Check 1, 2. Check it, check it, check, check. If you want them, check them out. I think they're pretty cool. And they look good. But you decide for you.